guys. So it's like 9:30. Yeah, I think it's like 9:30. We're still cleaning this hoe. Last video you guys saw us cleaning it in the dark. We're still cleaning it. This is the next day. It's coming out pretty good. I mean, there's still some spots. I need to buy more oven cleaner. I think Edwin only bought one can. But we're gonna take the intake off. We're gonna take intake off, this distributor off. We're gonna strip it all out. I took off some brackets already. I guess just take it apart. I mean, I have everything in my car right now. Look, I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, so last vid, I showed you guys my piston, but it was only for like a little bit. So they're right here. They're YCPs, Vatera pistons. I haven't took them out the actual bags, but they're right here. They're really tiny. I didn't realize how tiny these were. But yeah, they're cast pistons. They're, you know, forged pistons. They're just cast. They're really cheap. They're like 170. But yeah, they're right here. It comes with the rings and everything. It comes with the journals. But yeah, they're right here. So this probably next vid is because what's it called? What am I trying to say? It's because it's because I haven't ordered. I ordered the, what's it called? Fuck, what am I trying to say? Which was yesterday. I ordered my gap tool because I didn't have my gap tool, and I want to gap the ring, so it's very important. And I don't have it right now. So if I had the gap tool already, I would have put it in. We would have put all the, I think everything in, all the internals in this vid. But I don't have it, so I need to wait for it until that. We could put the rings on and then put the pistons in. So this would probably just strip it all out, clean it, and then I guess just assemble the pistons. Here's my bearings. I guess we could put the bearings on the rods and everything. Speed Factory. These weren't cheap. I mean, they were all right. They were like $410. We got the rod bolts, ARP. I think these, I don't know if you have to notch the block or not. I don't know. I got these. I got my ICPs. I got everything. I got the Honda on deck. Tengo todo la bestia. Manifold. I have the intercooler right there. Is it the intercooler? Oh no, that's the gasket kit. And then I got my clutch right there. This is the intercooler. I got my jumper harnesses. I'm ready. Turbo's in the car. It's just getting this all to ready. Oh, and I forgot, we're cleaning the transmission too. Look at this thing, guys. Look. It's so tiny. Look at my freaking throw-up bearing. I don't know if is it supposed to spin? I don't think so. This is my car. I got rid of my truck and I wanted a little Honda. I wanted a little turbo car, and this is what I want to do. And I told Edwin, I'm like, you know what, dude? I want to record it. I want to record it all. Sorry guys, I have fucking bad hair. I'm like, I want to record it all. I really don't care if I don't like it. I just want to record it, so I just have it all the time. So we could just look back and be like, you know what, dude, remember when we built your Honda? I'm like, let's look at the videos. I want to do it like that. Pero aquí está el motor. La vamos a desarmar y poner los pistones. Pero primero vamos a limpiarla y también la transmisión. Boom. It's lit. Beast. Tran. Damn, that thing looks sick.
It does have.
That bitch looks chrome.
It's some legit legit paint, bro. That's what they use on the pipes, the welding pipes in the oil field. So it's legit against heat and the slides.
So we're gonna paint, my guys. Vamos a pintar.
That's clean.
This shit was dirty, bro.
That was pretty clean. Yeah, look at it. It looks fucking nice. We're doing this because the spray can, it's not that bad, but it just chips easily. And we're just gonna try this out, see how it turns out. If it's badass, we'll probably do it on the OBS.
Dude, that looks fucking cool.
Alright.
Get up.
Compared to what? To this hand?
Look at this. Fast. Compared to that. Look, that's how it's gonna look. Compared to that to this. That looks something like our GTA. It looks like new, bro.
It makes it.
You know? Damn, that looks sick. And those, they really have to cover a lot.
I know that whole gallon could last us what? Forever?
I'm gonna take this off and then I'll probably paint this one black. What should I paint the head?
You wanna do the same thing or black?
I don't know. It don't matter.
Probably do the Valkyrie the same color and we can polish it off. Damn, it looks amazing, bro. That's the first coat.
I think it's sick.
You guys want to use it? It's Silver Bright from Sherwin-Williams. Some legit paint.
Man, what the?
We'll take it apart once we get the head bolts.
Yep.
Take it apart, replace the fucking bearings, the rods, the pistons.
To rebuild it.
And then just pretty much rebuild it. The head gasket and everything. Yeah, we paint the covers, get the timing covers black or?
I'll paint this one black. I'm gonna take this one off. We're gonna paint this one black and then the head, I don't know.
Either black or the same color. Comment down below what should we do the Valkyrie.
The most likes, I'll do that color.
Whatever the most likes is, we'll do it.
Okay. That's Subi. I still need to clean the trans, but I'll probably do that off camera because it's boring.